Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to limit your TikTok content to viewers who are 18 years or older. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar type TikTok. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes new settings are only available in the latest update. Once you have updated the app, simply open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, scroll down and look for the option called Audience Controls, then tap on it. Inside this section, you will see the option to limit your content to viewers who are 18 years or older. Simply turn this option on. Once you enable this setting, your content will be restricted so that only 18+ audiences can view it. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.